Hi, this is Leyla Torres of OrigamiSpirit.com. In this video, you're going to be learning how to fold this traditional flapping crane. To make a crane of this size, I use a paper 6 by 6 inches. For the demonstration, I will be using a bigger piece of paper. This is white on one side and color on the other side. So we are going to rotate the paper so that the corners are up and down. And we are going to make a fold connecting these two corners. This divides the paper in half. Unfold, rotate, and repeat. Unfold. So we have two valley folds. Valley. Turn it over. On this side, the same folds are considered mountain folds. We are going to rotate the paper slightly, 45 degrees, and we are going to make a fold at the center by bringing the lower edge to meet the upper edge.
Unfold,
Rotate, and we are going to repeat on this side. Match the lower edge with the upper edge. Fold along here.
and we unfold the paper again.
We are going to rotate this slightly again so that we have the corners up and down. And we are going to bring all the corners together to this point. To do that, we're going to hold these side corners and we are going to bring them down. And as we do that, this upper corner will want to join. So we just flatten. And we have created this shape, which is known as the preliminary base. It has one end that is closed and one end that is open.
Keep the open end pointing down.
We are going to make a fold that comes from this lower corner to the folded edge, about here. To do that, we bring this raw edge to the central vertical crease. We make sure to leave that edge a little away from the central crease. It should not overlap. And then we're going to repeat it here, bringing the raw edge up to that vertical crease. Making sure that we leave a very thin gap. The flaps don't overlap. Now we are going to make a fold that connects this corner to this corner along here, and we are going to fold to the back. That is a mountain fold. Now we are going to unfold these two flaps and we are going to open the top layer. One hand we open the flap and the other hand holds. And we are going to refold following existing creases. We are not going to make any new crease. We have a crease here and here. We are going to gently fold along those creases. And then we flatten this whole area. This is called a petal fold. We are going to turn the paper over, look at this section, and we are going to swing it to the back. We have a fold along here. At this point is a valley fold. We are going to reverse it, fold along that same crease to the back. And now we are going to repeat the process of making a petal fold. Bring this raw edge to the central vertical crease. And bring this edge to the central crease. Remember to leave a very thin hairline gap. Unfold. Folding on existing creases. We are going to shape that. So we're going to turn this over and bring this smaller flap up, and the lower, bigger flap, we bring it up. So we have these two legs. Now we are going to identify this left long flap, and we are going to fold it over to the right as if we are turning the page of a book. Then we turn this over and repeat here. Identify the left flap and fold it over to the right as if turning the page of a book. Now we're going to take the lower flap and fold up along this horizontal crease and repeat on the back. Fold up. So these outside flaps will be the wings. This left section will be the neck and head, and this right section will be the tail. So we are going to hold with one hand one side of the paper. With the other hand, we are going to swing this out. We bring our right hand here so that it doesn't go back, and this can be more or less, but I usually align this edge with this small edge that forms here. So once they align, you can flatten them. And to make the head, we are going to pre-fold. We can make also as big or as small as we want. So, but we pre-fold. This corner points to the left, somewhere around there. Then we unfold, place our thumb between layers, and with the index finger we press on this edge and flatten. So we have neck and head. Now we are going to follow a similar procedure to make the tail. Hold the left side, and with the right hand I swing it out. This time I am going to go farther, so that this edge aligns with this horizontal crease. And flatten. To make it flap, we are going to hold it at the base of the neck, and we are going to spread the wings. We can curl them. Hold at the base of the neck and gently pull the tail.
Visit our website at origamispirit.com for more ideas on how to make many more delightful origami figures.